There are more than 6 million auto accidents in the United States each year, and those accidents leave more than 40,000 people dead and more than 3 million injured. Experts say that most drivers are simply unaware of the type of energy and impact of a car crash, even at speeds of just 35 miles an hour, can create.
The automotive industry has done a great job to absorb the energy and make sure the car doesn't get injured or damaged significantly. Unfortunately, for the occupants of the vehicle, all that energy is absorbed into the car and then transferred to the human beings that are sitting in the vehicle. So a low impact crash may show little or no damage on the bumper, but in fact it bears little connection with the possible injuries that can happen to the occupants inside.
Which is why it's so important to wear a seatbelt. This machine, called the Seatbelt Convincer, shows riders how it feels to be involved in a car crash of speeds less than 10 miles an hour. As you can see for yourself, it creates a massive amount of impact.
The seatbelt is a part of an overall restraint system in the vehicle, along with airbags and the padded dashboard and the side padding of the interior of the vehicle, the headrests. The more you can do, the better to keep yourself inside a vehicle when an accident happens, because most serious injuries and deaths occur when there's been ejection of the occupants to the outside of the vehicle in a rollover or a side impact.
Even if you feel physically fine after a crash, it's usually still a good idea to get checked out by a doctor.
It would be a wise thing to see their physician, just to make sure that there isn't something that they need to do. The extent of the injury won't always be noticed immediately, and it may take time for that tissue damage that's occurred to declare itself.
For the people under the age of 65, car crashes are the #1 cause of spinal cord injuries, which account for billions of dollars of medical costs each year. Reporting for the EXP News Network, I'm Josh Talkington.